Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry. It's a brand new conversion. Manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and you can see I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide manual ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you're trying to get a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of the vehicle in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. So a few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do also sell side entry. We sell full-size vans. We even have some trucks and SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, give us a call. We might even have it being prepped right now, or I can find it for you. We've got the deep cut in this, which allows 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. We got the 8 tie-down points, so you can buckle down the 2 wheelchairs. We have 1 set of the Q strains in here. Those are high dollar. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. Now, a lot of our competitors, they're going to try to charge you to upgrade to these a bunch of money. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples, and make note, ours are free. We got your spare tire in here. We got about tapers down about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets, and about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. Headliner's nice and clean, and this van actually has the flip base seating, which is super cool. You see the seats there? What we do here is put our armrests up, and then you can grab the lever here, and this seat will flip down pretty fast. So keep a hand on it if you need to, but pull the lever here forward, and as you're pulling it forward, you grab the edge of the seat and pull it towards you. Flip up like that in a matter of seconds. In no time at all, you can have both seats flipped up, have this entire canal clear. Makes it a lot easier to carry 2 chairs at a time if you ever decide to do that. Got your Q-string tie down and warranty information there. Got your cup holders right here, plug-ins for your electronics. Got more cup holders here. Got your dual climate control there. You can plug in the auxiliary cord there if you want for the radio. The dash is in great shape on this van, no cracks or holes in the dash. You got steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road, and when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process, and you're ready to go. Now, our conversion comes with a three-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, a lot of our competition are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine. I mean, that's what they get paid to say. What do you expect them to say? But I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Some will tell you no warranty. Some will tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some will tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those options to the 3-year unlimited mile warranty that we provide on this van, and I want you to tell me who has the better built conversion. Pretty simple, right? Got your tinted windows on the van. As I do a walk around here, it's very clean. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's very well taken care of. And you'll hear me talk a lot about how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair van. And listen, I know if someone says it on the internet and it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, but give me 1 second here. Let me explain. How we do it is we have one location. We're here in Wichita, Kansas. Now imagine all those big box stores that have got 10, 20, 40, 100 locations around the country. Imagine all the overhead, all the employees, all the insurance, all the utilities compared to my one store. We're right in the middle of the country, right in Wichita, Kansas. So we're not too far from any coast. We can do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. That's how we also save you money. So it's really simple. There's no magic behind it. We keep our overhead low. We got 6 employees that produce all these vans. Overhead low, production high. I'm the owner of the company, so we don't have a general manager salary to pay. And I doubt most owners of the companies are out working on the field, you know, with the employees trying to be productive. Probably most of them are at board meetings, real nice steak and lobster dinners, you name it. So again, low overhead. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. And why I say a video, a lot of people are taking our vans, our pictures, they're cutting out our sign up there, and they're selling a van like this, say $12,000 on the internet, $1,000 to hold it. Well, they're trying to scam you. They're trying to get you to send them $1,000. So get them to send a video with their name. My name's Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. Here's the van. That little VIN number means the van's here in my possession. They couldn't do that because they don't have these vans. They're simply stealing pictures and trying to scam people. Get a video with that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see Carfax shows 1 owner, 12 service records, commercial vehicle. I like the commercial vehicles. It means they've been adult driven, haven't had kids and pets in them, Nothing against kids and pets, but I know they can take a little toll on a vehicle. So it does show minor damage. I'll show that to you down here. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner with a clean title. Carfax shows there's never been structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer's accurate. As we scroll down here, you can see in February 2014, so over 10 years ago, involved in a rear end collision, damage to the rear airbags did not deploy. So it says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So it sounds to me like maybe they backed into a pole or something like that, going nice and slow, or maybe someone bumped the backside. I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's got a bumper painted on it or something like that. And with that being said, they've taken the whole entire rear end apart to do the conversion, so it's all brand new back there anyways. So we got, again, lots of service has been done on this van. It's been very well taken care of. It does show, again, minor damage in August of 23. Again, minor damage is usually dents or scratches to the vehicle body, so never any major damage on this vehicle. Might have had a couple panels painted. No big deal, especially on a 10-year-old vehicle. No matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. I personally have been on eBay since November of 2004, so almost 20 years now. I'm dating myself. But 1,554 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left me positive feedback. That's 100%. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Again, make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You can see, yes, we're here in Wichita, Kansas. I hear a lot of horror stories about people buying vehicles from private individuals they knew nothing about, or they end up doing business with one of these dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews here instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up with a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, frame damage they weren't notified of, flood damage they didn't know about, major mechanical issues. So if you want to deal on the low end of the spectrum, you get 1 and 2 and 3-star experience in vehicles, you go ahead and deal with the private individual, the general public, and the that you know nothing about, and the low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from someone that's been in business for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, and back to the van. Yeah, we've got 2 key fobs with this van. It's got the keyless entry, and as I enter the van, it's got the black cloth interior. It's very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Also showing you the second row of seats here. This van looks darn near brand new inside. It's very clean, very well taken care of. And when I go to start up the van, you can see the 45,318 miles. You can see all the dummy lights work, and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. We've got almost a full tank of gas in this van. That radio works just fine there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm going to show you those moving right here in this video. Tested all the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires, suspension. My point is, we do not just run these vans through the car wash and throw them on the lot. I'm going to show you the back vents back there working. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Let's pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, you'll see very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being up north. And no signs of any water from being, being underwater, being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures. They assume because it only has 45,000 miles on it. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, there's brand new vehicles get flooded all the time. The water does not discriminate. It goes wherever it wants. So there's tons of new vehicles out there that have been flooded. So my point is, no matter who you do business with, first of all, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews, make sure you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair, and ask yourself, do they show me the reputation? Do they show me a Carfax report? So I can see I'm dealing, got a vehicle, no major accidents, clean title, never been in a flood. They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no water damage underneath here, no bent frame. Do they get up on the overpass? I crawl up on this overpass down here, I take pictures of the roof. So when it comes to, you have no idea how many vans I see at auction. I crawl up to look at the roof. They've got hail damage up there. They've got a huge dent up there. They might even have a hole from like a siren or, you know, some kind of magnet being, some kind of sign being put up there. So nobody looks at the roof. I get on up top, I look at the roof. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how much they're showing you, how thorough they are, and showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. And tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What ends up happening if you end up buying a van that you got frame damage, whether it be from an accident or a flood, and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both those cases, and in many more other instances, if that happens, you cannot get a title for the vehicle. You just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things before you buy. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major investment. This is not an $80 pair of Nikes off the internet. This is a big buy. So demand that detailed video. Tell them to get their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I put those up. I pay that extra money because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We've already gone over this a little bit. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Find out who's on the other end of that phone or on the other side of that computer. And then fourth thing, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our products and make sure that. And it's also has the power driver's seat. I forgot to mention that. Also, it works great. So let's get her out for a road test. Final portion of the video, I like to get the vans on the highway so you can see them run. But I get up on this overpass right here, I put the van right down there, and I get pictures of the roof on top of the video I just did of the roof. So just showing you how we do it here. But give it some gas, give the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Van runs and drives like darn near like a brand new van down the highway. Very nice. Do keep in mind we have a complimentary 90-day warranty at no charge to you. We do also have longer term warranties available if you're interested in you know, I think they go out to 4 years on this van, 4 years or 48,000 miles. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, or don't tell you until it's time to buy, a $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up their hidden fees and their shipping costs, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you and no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to call or text us. If you have a better luck getting a hold of us via text, the phone goes crazy every day. So if you're able to, shoot us a text message. As I came down the ramp there, nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration on the brake. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And hey, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I promise you I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. So absolutely zero pressure sales here, and we're happy to walk you through start to finish. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with me. I can explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in, please make an appointment with us. We'd be more than happy to spend some time with you. But I've got 4 different locations for these vans. We've got to find out which ones you want, where to send you. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. So please call me, text me, make that appointment. Help us streamline the appointment to save both you and us some time. Get you taken care of. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. So I'm trying to be as detailed as I possibly can. If you'd like to see our entire video with detailed videos, just like the entire inventory with detailed videos, just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, and no hidden fees. So you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today.